What if I told you you can build a real app right now without writing a single line of code? With just a simple prompt, this AI will do it all for you. And guess what? It is 100% free. Hey, this is DoxaKit, your home for the smartest AI tools, apps, and tech that actually work. If you're tired of overhyped tools that waste your time, hit that subscribe button and let's build something real today. Let me introduce you to GenAI Studio, Google's latest platform that allows anyone to build full apps using just plain English. You describe the app you want, and it builds it. The interface, logic, everything. No coding knowledge required. It's part of Google's Vertex AI tools. But don't worry, we're keeping this beginner-friendly and free. All right, let's build a working app together in just a few clicks. First, let's head over to Google GenAI Studio. Type studio.firebase.google.com in the address bar of your browser, or simply click the link in the description of this video. You'll need to log in with a Google account, so go ahead and do that. Once we're inside the studio, we want to write the first prompt to start building our app. By the way, what idea is in your mind that you wanted to turn it into an app? Go ahead, challenge your mind, but I'm just going to build a simple app to make this tutorial easy to follow, but you can build anything you want. Now describe the app you want by entering it in the prompt section. I'm going to build a simple quiz app, so I will start writing how I want the app to be. So create a simple multiple choice quiz app. The app should have a start screen, a question screen that shows one question at a time with 4 answer options, and a results screen at the end showing the total score. The user should be able to select an answer, move to the next question, and restart the quiz after finishing. Use basic UI design with buttons and text only. When you're done writing your prompt, click on Prototype this app. GenAI will summarize your app plan, including the features and design. If you're not okay with the features and design, you can ask it to make some changes by clicking on Customize at the top, then you can make the necessary adjustment. And if everything is fine, just click on Prototype this app button here. Let's give GenAI some time, and it will automatically build the layout, user interface, and even the backend logic. Yep, it's done building our app. And that's a beautiful and neat design there. Let's test if it's working. I will go ahead and try my luck answering the questions. Yep, this is the result. What did you get? The good thing is that we can test it right there. Click around and add more tasks. So, if there's anything you don't like, or something like a new feature you wanted to add to it, you can do that. Start by describing the changes you want to make. I want to give the app a beautiful name, so I will write change the app name to Smart Quiz. Click Send and give it some time. Let's see what's going to happen. And yep, it has made the changes. Still not happy with how it looks? You can keep prompting. Try, add color themes, or make buttons bigger. Or add a share question feature. Just type what you want. No coding, no guessing. And when you're ready, you can publish your app by clicking Publish at the top right. I will handle the publishing part in a separate video, so stay tuned. All right, so what types of apps can you build? This isn't limited to just task apps. With GenAI, you can feedback forms, expense trackers, booking apps, quote generators, learning quizzes, business tools, literally any small utility app or prototype you can imagine. GenAI can build it with a prompt. I think GenAI is game-changing because, to be honest, learning to code takes time. Hiring developers is also expensive. But now AI gives everyone the power to turn ideas into apps. Couple with, it is fast, free, beginner-friendly, and no code required. This is a game changer for students, creators, business owners, and developers who want to speed up their workflow. All right, as usual, I will give you a tip before we go. When you build your app, ask GenAI to explain how this app works in simple terms. and it will teach you what it just created. That's how you learn and build at the same time. If you've ever had an app idea but didn't know how to build it, this is your moment. Head over to GenAI Studio, type what you want, and watch your app come to life. Let me know in the comments, what's the first app you'll build with GenAI? Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to DoxaKit for more no-fluff AI tutorials that actually work. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with DoxaKit.